I want to be able to have the Rightlook name, in my office or in my shop. I want people to know that if you see someone from Rightlook, it's going to be top quality work. My name is Jason Gomez. I'm from Danbury, Connecticut, and I'm here because I wanted to expand my skill set and I wanted to learn from the best and try to, make some more money for myself. Try to make my own business. Well, currently I work as a detailer at an Audi dealership in Connecticut. Detailing is really nice. I love it, but you can only polish a car so much. I was searching online for schools that'll teach you either vinyl wrapping, clear bra. I was still kind of sticking my neck in the woods, trying to learn how I can expand. And Rightlook I came across Rightlook on the Facebook ad, and they had a whole lot of nice testimonials. They had a nice staff. They reached out to me. I reached out to them. They're very respectful. They're very generous, and they really answered any of the questions that I had. And I mean, it really seemed like a good fit. I tried to match my personality with the employees and the trainer, and ended up working out really well. I've had no experience with paint protection film. I mean, I've seen it done before, but you can only learn so much just by observing without someone explaining it to you. So, coming in, I had really little knowledge, and Ruben did a great job explaining to me the fundamentals, different types of film, different types of methods as to applying it, different types of methods as to tacking it onto the hood. I mean, really, Ruben is one of the best guys. I mean, he's got to be the best, because for someone like me to learn as fast as I did, I mean, it's incredible. It wasn't too fast, we weren't going too slow. We really worked at the pace that I felt comfortable, and Ruben made sure that, he always told me, you can always pick up the speed, but you want to make sure the quality is there first. And that's something that's going to stick with me. That's something that I'm going to take with me back to Danbury. It takes a lot of time and confidence, to try and go out and, go out to yourself, try to sink or swim. But I mean, Ruben was there the whole time, and he really gives you he explains you the whole way, and he really gives you the confidence you need to go out there and do something by yourself, because you were taught the right way, and you were taught to do things right the first time. We were doing this Lexus, and I did the little cuts for myself, and it feels good to do something by yourself. And having no experience, I was open to learning everything. And once Ruben said you can do the freehand, you can do the plotter, but you got kind of spoiled with the plotter, so freehand is really, a skill set that we focus on, which is really nice, because, something you won't always have the machine. So it's a really important skill, and it's really, I mean, once you get comfortable, I mean, you're working on these very expensive cars. Once you get comfortable, I mean, it's just like working on any other car. I came across the country basically to learn this, and it was very well worth it, very well worth it. I mean, if I were to, I mean, I'm thinking about coming back and taking another class. Why not? I know the people, they're super generous. I know I'm gonna be successful when I leave out of here. I know I'm gonna leave here with the necessary skills to go out there and do my business on my own, and make a name for myself and make some more money for myself. You see the setup that they have is very professional. It's very clean. It's very state of the art. They got lights everywhere. They got every possible size brush that you can think of here. Every possible machine that you're gonna be needing, for whatever job that you might have. But within the first 5 minutes, I felt comfortable. Ruben was very nice. He was very generous, and he made sure that I was getting the attention I needed to be successful. I want to be able to have the Rightlook name, in my office or in my shop. I want people to know that if you see someone from Rightlook, it's going to be top quality work. If you're thinking about going to Rightlook, stop thinking and just do it, because you might as well do it now if you're thinking about doing it later, because it's really one of the best decisions I've ever made. Definitely recommend it. And I'm really happy to be here. I'm happy I made the choice, and I'm super satisfied. I wouldn't have had it any other way.